الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
آمين.
For the awardees and the graduates. You are our flowers. Okay. So I am going to hand over microphone.
They are the graduate.
Get ready,
They
get
are
ready.
they will now
Yes.
go to the
Good job.
primary school.
And I request
From
all the
KG2.
parents, please do not open your envelopes. It's a privilege for us to have you in this great occasion. It's a great pleasure for us to announce the auspicious award ceremony of our students who have done a remarkable performance in the session 2018-19. This awarded day is to honor the students and a day of pride for all